Hello, I'm Mixed Mowers and Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a little look at a Einhell strimmer combi tool that a young lad bought to me. I think he's just starting up his own little lawn care business and buying a few bits of machinery. However, it's not the best, but it's what he can probably afford, so that's what it is. He sent me a video of the machine. It was bogging down, not doing a great deal. He since bought it to me. He said it does run, but it just keeps bogging down. So hopefully we can get away and do a nice little quick fix on this little trimmer for him, and hopefully he can get it back, get it working, and earn himself a few quid. So that'd be good. If this is the first time you're watching Mixed Mowers and Mower Man, hit the subscribe button and whack the old bell. Set notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty and let's try and get this little Einhell strimmer multi-tool up and running for this young lad so he can earn a few quid. Right, got a bit to do today. Do you know what? First of all, quick cup of coffee. Let's go and get a cup of coffee for Mixed Mowers. Let's see what we've got here. We've got Millie here. Here's little Millie. This is my little Millie mouse. This is Josh's little crumpet. Here's my Mrs. Pete. Cheers. What?
Well.
What do you mean, well? But you went to McDonald's without me.
I just got coffee.
Unbelievable. Right, I'll make my own then.
What are you recording?
I'm recording me making a cup of coffee. Thought I'd introduce Millie Mouse to my family as well. I can't believe you didn't get me a cup of coffee.
Well, Nana said by the time
You see, that's your first mistake. You listened to Nana.
it would get you cold.
That's your first mistake. You could have at least bought me back a mocha chocolate
No, you're not allowed one of those.
Why?
Because you've already had ice creams last night. We should
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this? I had ice cream last night. Yeah.
We shouldn't have had. You went and bought the Boost ice cream.
They were nice.
But there's no middle. I was a bit disappointed.
Why are you?
Oh, yeah. But he bought Feast ones as well. They taste as nice as they used to. The chocolate tastes cheap, doesn't it?
Yeah. It does.
Compared to the old. Oh, God.
So then, Millie.
Oh, you're actually recording?
Yeah. So, Millie. Josh's girlfriend.
Yeah,
How's it going with Josh?
going well.
It's going well.
Yeah.
And what do you mean it's going well? What do you mean by that? Are you enjoying the relationship?
Yeah, I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10.
Oh, solid 8 out of 10. Room for improvement. Oh, that's bad, Josh. Okay, and Josh, what about you? How's the relationship going?
Apparently not as well as I thought.
Apparently not as well as you thought. And are you going to give a ranking out of 10, or you're not that brave?
I don't know what to think anymore.
Okay. It's bad, isn't it? She come straight out and said 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
That's rough, isn't it? I'll ask Mrs. P. Mrs. P, how's it?
No.
How's our marriage going, babe?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, and Mark's out of 10?
Oh, got a big 20 out of 10.
Yeah! 20 out of 10, baby. Oh, yeah. Josh, you got an 8. How bad is that?
Sure.
Unbelievable. They'll be around later on tonight. Right, I've got so much to do. I've got about 8 bits of kit coming for repair. So today is going to be a busy, busy day. Let's get the old shed unlocked. Get in here and get it done. Got to move a few bits of kit first. We've got ATCO problems going on, people. Right, let's go and get this old Einhell. As I say, got no idea what's up with it. Customer complaint was it runs, but doesn't run right. As do a lot of these little cheaper home user brand style bits of equipment. But the difference is with this one is that the lad that actually owns it, I think he's just started up his own little lawn care business. That's what he's done. You know, maybe that's what you can afford, right? So let's have a quick look at fuel and condition of fuel. Yeah, it's definitely a bit of two-stroke in there. That's good to see. Let's see what it's doing. Priming. Yeah, it's all priming. Let's turn that on. There's no button for it. Okay, let's choke it. Oh, okay. I'm going to try something before we even put this on the bench. I'm going to grab my little Pac-Man tuner. It might not be dirt in the carb. It might just be, literally, diaphragm has changed in regards to flexing, and we might be able to get away with tuning this. Apart from the simple fact they put the tuner right in the way of the fuel tank. God, that's a thing, isn't it? I think we got it though. Right, so I'm going to literally just try and tune it first off. There you go. So sometimes all it's needed is a tune. There you go. Sometimes it can be as simple as that. A quick little tune will get the machine up and running and just gets it to draw enough fuel. Sometimes what happens is a diaphragm does start to stiffen up, and by getting a bit more fuel will allow the machine to run a bit better. Eventually the machine will have to come back in, no doubt, for a carburetor change or for a new gasket and diaphragm set, but I should test the machine fully for the next couple of days or so just to make sure the machine is reliable and it actually fires up, runs like it should do. But at the moment it's running absolutely sweet as a nut, or as sweet as it can do for a machine of that capability. But there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the episode of Mixed Mows and Mower Man. These little tiny carburetor tuners can be found on Amazon or eBay for around about £12 to £15. If you just punch in carburetor tuning tools, these will come up. Little tiny pack of them, and they are an absolute godsend. The amount of machines I've had come through the workshop, I just need a quick little tune and back out the door again. It's as simple as that. And if more and more lawn care guys had their own carburetor tuning tools, they better do it themselves. So that's cool. So if you enjoyed the little episode of Mixed Mows and Mower Man, hit the old subscribe button and whack the old bell. Set your notifications to all. That way you'll be told next time I upload another video. I look forward to the next episode of Mixed Mows very, very soon. But until then, people, don't forget, much more importantly, take it easy.